Imagine a feast spread out on a vibrant banana leaf. Each dish is colorful and aromatic, inviting you to dive in. Today, we'll assemble an authentic Indian-style banana leaf veg platter that's both delicious and visually stunning. A banana leaf platter is a traditional Indian meal presentation. It's colorful and showcases a variety of flavors. Let's break it down step by step for a beautiful and complete meal. Start with a fresh banana leaf. Choose a large one for ample serving spacey. Rinse it gently and wipe it dry. Next, place the leaf shiny side up. This will be our serving canvas. Now, we'll lay out the main components. Begin with rice. Place a generous scoop of steamed rice in the center. This is our base, providing a filling foundation. On one side, a colorful dal. You can use yellow or red lentils. Dal adds protein and a comfort to taste. On the opposite side, place a portion of sambar. It's a spicy, tangy lentil dish that balances flavors beautifully. Next, let's spice it up with vegetable stir-fries. Choose a mix of seasonal vegetables like carrots, beans, and bell peppers. Sauté them with mustard seeds and curry leaves for aroma. Add a heave next to the rice. Now for the pickles. These are essential for that tangy kick. Arrange a small bowl of mango or lime pickle on the platter. Don't forget raita. This cooling yogurt side dish beautifully balances spices. Serve it in a small bowl right next to the dal. Lastly, add a few papads. These crispy lentil wafers add crunch. Lay them gently on their side. It's time for the final touch. Arrange a few fresh coriander leaves on top for color. Visualize this spread on your table. Each item complements the others, creating a feast. This platter is more than just food. It's an experience, a celebration of flavors. Each bite transports you to India. In summary, we've created a traditional banana leaf veg platter. It's colorful, fragrant, and full of diverse tastes. Try making this at home for your next gathering. Enjoy the beauty and flavors this platter brings to your table. If you love this idea, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious Indian recipes.